Ever wondered how to make your living room feel like a cozy fall hug? Stay tuned. These ideas will make your space glow with autumn magic. And hey, hit subscribe for more warm, aesthetic home setups. 1. Warm color palette magic. Start with soft, earthy tones: burnt orange, deep mustard, and warm beige. These cozy colors instantly transform your room into a fall haven. Add textured pillows and cozy throws to create a calm and inviting space. 2. Candlelight and lantern glow. Soft, flickering lights set the perfect autumn vibe. Place rustic lanterns on side tables or line up candles on a wooden tray. The warm glow makes every corner feel peaceful and magical, especially during cozy fall nights. 3. Natural elements for charm. Bring nature indoors with dried leaves, pine cones, and mini pumpkins. A simple glass jar filled with twigs or acorns adds a rustic touch. These small details create a charming connection between your home and the fall season. 4. Cozy blanket corner. Nothing says fall like a soft blanket corner. Stack knitted throws in a basket beside your sofa. Choose warm textures like wool or fleece. They not only add comfort, but also elevate the whole cozy atmosphere. 5. Autumn-inspired wall art. Switch out your usual wall frames for fall-themed prints. Think golden forests, leaves, or pumpkin art. It's an easy way to update your space and celebrate the season without major changes or expense. 6. Coffee table styling. Your coffee table can set the fall mood too. Add a candle, a mini pumpkin, and a cozy book stack. A warm-toned tray ties everything together, creating a charming and photo-worthy centerpiece. 7. Cozy lighting layers. Use floor lamps or fairy lights to create soft layers of light. Avoid harsh overhead bulbs. Instead, go for a golden glow that feels relaxing and dreamy, perfect for sipping tea or watching your favorite fall movie. 8. Subtle Halloween touches. If you love Halloween, keep it elegant. Add small ceramic pumpkins, black candles, or witchy figurines. It keeps the spirit alive without overpowering your fall theme. Think classy, not cluttered. 9. Textured rugs and pillows. Swap your summer rugs for fluffy or woven textures. Add cushions with fall patterns: leaves, plaid, or velvet. The more texture you add, the cozier your space will feel, inviting you to curl up and relax. 10. Finishing touch. Cozy aroma. Complete your fall vibe with scents like cinnamon, vanilla, or pumpkin spice. A diffuser or scented candle can make your space smell as warm and inviting as it looks. It's the final touch to your cozy fall living room. Final note, and there you have it. A warm, cozy, fall-ready living room you'll never want to leave. Which idea will you try first? Comment below and don't forget to hit subscribe for more seasonal home inspiration.